Hi friends, welcome to my channel Excel Lessons, your simplest way to reach excellence in Microsoft Excel. My name is Pradeep. I have over 15 years of experience in teaching Microsoft Excel. So let's see what we are learning today. So let's get started. Hello friends, welcome back to Excel Lessons. In this video, I will show you a new flavor of performing VLOOKUP. It's called as a dynamic VLOOKUP. Imagine if we have to extract multiple columns using VLOOKUP, we end up writing n number of VLOOKUPs, correct? In this video, I will show you by simply adding a match function inside the VLOOKUP formula, how we can perform multiple VLOOKUPs at single go. Okay, here I have given the syntax here. VLOOKUP, what we are trying to make it dynamic is column index number and the syntax for match function. Even before we write a dynamic VLOOKUP function, let us understand how does the match function work. Here I have 5 columns. I will find out what is the column index number of company name from the column employee number in the sample employee database, right? So let me write a formula. Match is equal to match, open the bracket, the first one is a lookup value is company name, comma, and lookup array, this company name I am looking up in the header row, that is from employee number till the end, that is A1 to M1, comma, and I want exact match, so I'll supply 0 and close the bracket, enter. So what does it indicates is company name is the fourth column from employee number. Okay, we are getting it from match. So if I copy this and paste across, I will find out, see, email is the 12th column from employee number, address is 5, last name is 3, and web is 13th column. Now we have dynamically found out what is the column index number. We will accommodate this match function within the VLOOKUP function to perform many VLOOKUPs at one go. Let me write a formula here is equal to VLOOKUP. What is the first thing? Lookup value. Lookup value is an employee number, comma, table array. Table array I will select from employee number till the end. Entire table I will select and I will freeze it, comma. Now the column index number, the third component. Here I write match function. Match, open the bracket. What am I searching here in the match? I am searching for the header name here. Okay, C2 I will give dollar before 2 so that when I drag the formula down it doesn't change to 3, 4, 5 and so on. Okay, comma, lookup array I'm looking for the header from A1 to M1, again I freeze it, comma, and I want exact match 0 and close the bracket. Now we have accommodated match function to dynamically find out what is our column index number. Right, after that we are back to VLOOKUP function, comma, and last thing is range lookup, which is exact match or approximate. We are looking for exact match, so I can give 0 or I can type false. Close the bracket and hit enter. See, now I got the first VLOOKUP done here. Before we drag the formula to the next cells, we must ensure that the reference from employee number remains in employee number itself. That means it remains in B column itself. So we have to type dollar before the B. Okay. Now you see this, copy, select entire table and just control V, paste. See, now within a few seconds with one single VLOOKUP function, we were able to perform n number of VLOOKUPs dynamically, many VLOOKUPs in single formula without even remembering what is the column index number, right? Hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe, like and share my channel. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.